All right, guys, picture this. Your boy, knee-deep in algorithms, trying to crack the code of e-commerce. Imagine the scene. Multiple screens glowing in the dim light, lines of code scrolling endlessly, and me, fueled by caffeine and determination, diving into the world of artificial intelligence. No, I haven't lost it yet. In fact, I'm more excited than ever. The possibilities are endless, and the thrill of discovery keeps me going. It's like being on the frontier of a new digital age. I'm talking about using AI to design product mock-ups. Imagine a world where creativity and technology merge seamlessly, where you can input a few parameters and voila! A stunning design appears on your screen, ready to be printed on anything you can imagine. Crazy, right? We're talking t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, the whole shebang, all designed by artificial intelligence. It's like having a personal designer who never sleeps, never takes a break, and always delivers top-notch designs. The goal? To see if these AI-generated designs could actually sell. Could they compete with human creativity? Would people even notice the difference? The stakes were high, and the curiosity was even higher. Could I hand over the creative reins to a computer and still make bank? Let's find out. The idea of collaborating with a machine was both thrilling and terrifying. It was like stepping into uncharted territory where the rules were still being written. This wasn't just about making a quick buck, though. This was about exploring the future of design, the power of AI, and whether us creatives are about to be replaced by lines of code. It was a journey into the unknown, a quest to understand the potential and limitations of artificial intelligence in the creative field. Spoiler alert, it's complicated. The results were surprising, sometimes even mind-blowing. But one thing was clear. The future of design is here, and it's powered by AI. Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, well, that's up for debate. But one thing's for sure, it's an exciting time to be a part of this digital revolution. First things first, let's talk mock-ups. In the online world, they're everything. Imagine walking into a store with 0 products on display. You'd probably bounce, right? Same goes for online shops. Mock-ups are like the digital storefront, giving potential customers a taste of what they're buying. But creating hundreds of mock-ups? That's a full-time job, and nobody's got time for that. Enter AI. These AI tools are like design ninjas, churning out mock-ups faster than you can say algorithm. Upload your design, choose your product, boom, instant mock-up. It's like magic, but with less glitter and more ones and zeros. Now let's meet the brains, or should I say algorithms, of the operation. These aren't your typical team members. They don't need coffee breaks, they don't complain about deadlines, and they certainly don't ask for raises. But they do have their own quirks and personalities, in a manner of speaking. There are tons of AI design tools out there, each with its own quirks and capabilities, from generating intricate patterns to creating stunning visual effects. These tools are designed to push the boundaries of creativity. Some are more user-friendly, while others require a bit of a learning curve. But once you get the hang of them, the possibilities are endless. Some are great for generating abstract art, others excel at typography. Imagine being able to create a piece of art that looks like it belongs in a modern art gallery, or a typography design that could be the next big thing in advertising. The versatility of these tools is truly remarkable. For this experiment, I went with a mix of popular options, feeding them prompts like retro sunset design or minimalist coffee lover illustration. The idea was to see how different algorithms interpret the same prompt and what unique elements they bring to the table. It's like having a team of artists, each with their own style and approach. The goal was to create a diverse range of designs that could appeal to different tastes. Whether you're into bold, vibrant colors or subtle, minimalist designs, there's something for everyone. The variety is not just in the style, but also in the execution. Some designs are meticulously detailed, while others are more abstract and open to interpretation. The results were interesting, to say the least. Some designs were exactly what I had envisioned, while others were completely unexpected. It's fascinating to see how an algorithm interprets a simple prompt and turns it into something tangible. The element of surprise is always there, making the process both exciting and a bit nerve-wracking. Some designs were surprisingly good, with a unique style that I never could have come up with on my own. These pieces had a certain flair and originality that made them stand out. It's like discovering a hidden gem in a pile of rocks. The AI managed to capture something special, something that resonated on a deeper level. Others, well, let's just say they wouldn't win any design awards. Some designs were downright baffling, making me question the algorithm's thought process. But that's the beauty of experimentation. Not every attempt will be a masterpiece, but each one teaches you something new, and who knows, even the bad designs might inspire a new idea or direction. Choosing the right products and designs is crucial. You can have the coolest mock-up in the world, but if it's for a product nobody wants, you're out of luck. So I did my research. I dove deep into the world of trending products, scrolling through Etsy, browsing Pinterest boards, and even stalking Amazon bestsellers. From eco-friendly tote bags to quirky phone cases, I wanted to tap into what people were actually buying. The key was to find a balance between riding the trend wave and offering something unique. It's a delicate dance, but hey, that's the life of an entrepreneur, right? With my AI-generated mock-ups ready to go, it was time to unleash them upon the world. I chose Etsy and Redbubble, two popular platforms for independent creators, as my battlegrounds. Setting up shop was surprisingly easy. I uploaded my mock-ups, wrote catchy product descriptions, always crucial, and set my prices competitively. Then I hit publish and waited with bated breath. The beauty of these platforms is that they handle everything from payment processing to shipping logistics. All I had to do was sit back, relax, and watch the orders hopefully roll in. Section 6. Winners, losers, and lessons learned. So, the million-dollar question, did my AI-designed products actually sell? The answer, like most things in life, is complicated. Some designs were a hit, others not so much. The winners? Trendy designs on popular products like t-shirts and tote bags. It seems people are still digging that vintage vibe, especially when it's paired with a clever slogan or a cute animal illustration. The losers? Niche designs on less popular products. Turns out, not everyone needs a phone case with an abstract interpretation of the meaning of life. Go figure. Section 7. The market demands. What? This experiment was a crash course in market demand. It turns out the algorithm doesn't always know best. Just because an AI can generate a design doesn't mean people will want to buy it. The key takeaway? Don't underestimate the power of market research. Understanding your target audience, their preferences, and what's already out there is crucial even when you're using AI. It's like trying to sell ice to Eskimos. You can have the most beautifully designed ice sculpture in the world, but they're probably not going to bite. Section 8, Creativity, Human versus Machine, Round 1. Now for the big question, can AI replace human creativity? Based on this experiment, I'd say not yet. While AI is great at generating designs quickly and efficiently, it still lacks that human touch. There's a certain spark, a level of emotional intelligence and understanding that AI just hasn't quite grasped yet. It can mimic styles and follow trends, but it can't replicate the true essence of human creativity. That being said, AI is a powerful tool that can augment and enhance human creativity. It can help us generate ideas, explore new styles, and bring our visions to life faster than ever before. Section 9, Keep testing, keep selling. So what did we learn from this AI-powered adventure? A lot. We discovered that AI can streamline many aspects of our e-commerce business, from generating product mock-ups to analyzing sales data. But it's important to remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity and intuition. We learned that AI can be a valuable asset in the world of e-commerce, but it's not a magic bullet. It can help us make more informed decisions, but it can't make those decisions for us. We still need to apply our own knowledge and experience to interpret the data and make the best choices for our business. The key takeaway? Don't be afraid to experiment, to test, and to learn from your mistakes. Every failure is a learning opportunity, and every success is a step forward. By continuously testing and refining our strategies, we can stay ahead of the competition and keep our business growing. The world of e-commerce is constantly evolving, and the only way to stay ahead of the curve is to embrace new technologies and approaches. This means being open to change and willing to adapt. It also means staying informed about the latest trends and developments in the industry so we can take advantage of new opportunities as they arise. And who knows, maybe one day AI will be designing all our products. Imagine a world where AI can predict consumer preferences with pinpoint accuracy and create products that perfectly meet their needs. It's an exciting possibility, but we're not there yet. For now, we need to work alongside AI, using it to enhance our capabilities and drive innovation. But until then, I'll be here, human brain firing on all cylinders, trying to stay one step ahead of the algorithm. Peace out. Remember, the journey of e-commerce is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep testing, keep selling, and most importantly, keep learning. The future is bright, and with the right mindset,